Alright, check this out. Hi, Chickie. Oh, look out, ladies. Excuse me. You're not going to believe what's up with this bird feeder. Candy bought some songbird seed, and the birds really don't care for it, so they just basically leave it alone, pick through it. But it's been, see, they just kick it out and now it's sprouting. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. There's the other side. Pretty cool. You guys want some? Let me kick some out for you. You like that? How's that? Oh, you love it. I'll get some for you guys. I got a whole bag full. They hate, the other birds hate this stuff. Yeah. That was fun, huh?